Okay, so this is a quick tutorial showing you how to make a set in Soundcloud and then import it into your Mahara page. So I'm on my Soundcloud dashboard here, and what I want to do is create a new set. So if we click on the U tab here, we can see you've got my sets here. Now I've got two existing sets, but once I go to this page, I get the option here to create a set. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a set. Once I do that, I have the choice here whether I want to add new tracks. So these would be tracks that I've not yet uploaded to SoundCloud, or to add existing tracks that I have uploaded. So I'm going to call this Foosball Samples 2. I already have some Foosball samples up, and I'm just going to make this up of existing tracks. So I'm going to say add existing tracks. I'll then load my tracks in. So I'm just going to pick a few of these random ones. Okay, so I've made a set here which consists of 4 samples. I'm going to say OK. If I scroll down here, there's a few things I need to be careful of. I might want to type a description in here. So I'll call this samples from a foosball table. The type, if it's samples, we can make that a sample pack. And the genre, if it's relevant, you can enter as well. We can put tags in here, so if other people are searching SoundCloud, they'll be able to find it. So we can make this foosball. This might be spelled differently, so I'll put in foosball with 2 S's. And you can put in more if you wanted. We should enable downloads, in case anybody wants to download it for a proper look at it. And if you don't want to share it on Facebook, if that's how you've logged in, you would uncheck the Facebook box. We then say save, and that'll create me a new set, and there it is there. The next thing we need to do is get it into Mahara. So if I click on the share button here, we can see that we've got a link. So I'm going to copy that link. It's going to be Command C or Control C. Then I'm going to go to Mahara. I'm going to create myself a new page. I'm going to give it a sensible name. I'm just going to call this SoundCloud set. I'll save that. I'm going to edit my content, and I'm going to use this embed object. So I'm going to click that, drag it down, and in here is where I'm going to put my URL that I've copied from SoundCloud. Command V to paste, and I'm going to give it a title, which is going to be Foosball Samples. The API key you may have to copy and paste from the front page of your Mahara group, and then we can set a width here as well, which is going to be, if you have 3 columns, it usually works out about 350 pixels. We'll hit save, and there we go, with some nicely embedded samples in Mahara.